Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Do you know you can make $1,000 online in a day? Sounds too good to be true, right? Yes, this is very possible, and the amazing thing is that you can make it for free. Yes, you heard that right, for free without any extra costs. There are a lot of ways to make $1,000 online every day, and this list is the easiest of them all. And since I have tried it for an entire week, it's proven to be working properly. Don't worry, you will not have to film any videos, you will not have to trade any stocks, or have to sell anything. And yes, it will give you the same result in any country you are in. Perhaps you have an unexpected bill to pay off, or you want to start contributing to your financial goals, or you need to go on a vacation to ease the stress, or simply deal with an emergency. Whatever is the reason, there are a lot of things you can do online to make this happen. Before I will start, make sure you like this video. If you like making money and want to know the steps for making money online, make sure to subscribe to this channel and tap the notification bell to not miss out on first-class information on how to make money online doing what you love. In this video, you will see how to get $1,000 fast in one day. In others, you can add up a few different strategies to quickly get to that amount all in a day. And you can put all these strategies to play continuously so that you'll be able to make an extra $1,000 every single month, because who doesn't want to lighten the pressure of their budget? A significant number of people have less than $1,000 in their bank account. In a survey conducted by Go Banking Rates in 2018, 58% of US adults have less than that in their savings, and as many as 32% had no savings at all, living from paycheck to paycheck. On the Canadian side, the statistics are as similar as 53% of the population. They have less than $1,000 in their accounts. If you would like to make $1,000 online in a day, then keep watching as I review 3 ideas that will help you reach your financial goals within a week or less. Whether or not you have a steady stream of income, you can still do it. Some of these tasks are online and achievable from within the comfort of your own home. For others, you need to get up and go hustle. Depending on the option, little or no experience may be required. And without further ado, here are the numerous ways to make $1,000 in one day. Number 1. Listing your empty space and making money. Have you got an empty room in your apartment, or are you planning on going on a vacation soon? Do you know your spare room or vacant house could earn you some cash rather than just sitting empty? Hosting guests and getting paid is simple. For a start, simply list your empty room on Airbnb. Choose your availability, house rules, and prices. Listing your space is free, and Airbnb backs up every booking with $1 million in property damage protection and $1 million in insurance against accidents. Whether you have a spare room or not, you can still make quick cash by renting out things like your parking spot, your cupboard space, or even trailer. You could earn a lot from Airbnb. Of course, that income will depend on the area where you are based, how frequently you list out your space, the quality of your home, and the services you provide. Number 2. Teaching others English and earning cash. Do you know that you can make up to $1,000 online in a day teaching the English language? Parents in many non-English speaking countries around the world, particularly China, are trying to find native English speakers who can tutor their kids to speak the English language. VIP Kid, for example, is one of the platforms for this service, and they offer a very good pay of up to $22 per hour. You decide on your hours and work from home using a laptop, handset, camera, and an internet connection. Just imagine how much you will make teaching several children online in the same hour. Awesome, right? You can also teach a couple of other things and advertise your tutoring services on Craigslist or online job boards. Number 3. Become an influencer. Do you have a large following on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, and all you just do is post selfies of you and your friends? When you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars from the comfort of your own bed, it is estimated that top Instagram influencers charge $1,000 per post for every 100,000 followers they have. Even if your followers aren't in the millions or hundreds of thousands range, you can still make thousands from your account if you have a large following. All you need to do is to revamp your accounts and position them and watch as advertisers pour in to help promote their products. The internet is a vast space booming with numerous money-making opportunities online. with new opportunities to become a millionaire every day. I hope you get value from this video, and I hope you learn how to make $1,000 online for free. If you haven't subscribed yet to EarnPal, what are you waiting for? Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell below to get the new updates on our next videos. And remember, we post a new way every single day.